I get to shoot lots of different interesting properties, but there's always something which, in some properties, is scary for me to shoot. So for example, this property I'm shooting just now, I think is very cool. You've got your nice little kitchen, your ground floor, so they've frosted out the windows, but still lets light in. Looks great, lovely lamps, this cool kind of mezzanine floor going on here, the paint system that they've done, the internal bathroom, again, quite cool. They've really done their best with the space. I think that is part of the upstairs, or that's where the water tank is. And then the bedroom at the back and all that, yeah, that's all good and dandy. But, yeah, there's something that always gives me a bit of a fear. And that's when, to get to one part of the property to the other, is to go up a rickety wooden ladder. Which I'm sure is fine. Held on by little screws, there and there and there. And I am a fool. I'm a 105 to 110 kilograms when I'm in the gym. So yeah, around about 110. It's about 17 stone or something. For me to get up there to get the photos of up, because that is a whole extra bit. This is the only way. Just nervous too. So I'm thinking, tell me if I'm right or wrong, having my foot at the edges, I think, is probably safer, closer to where the screws are. So I'm going to... Like, if it's a metal ladder or if it's some actual stairs, I'd be fine, but... Oh, God. Oh my God, Christ. Hear the noise. That is not going to take me. Fuck. Whew. Right, maybe speed is the answer. Probably isn't. Like, it has extra, like those structural bits don't look super structural at all. Okay. Oh my God. Whew, whew. Holy crap. God. I did call my boss before this, saying, just in case you get an emergency phone call from me. Oh my crap. I may be stuck up a ladder. Oh my God. How did it jump? Oh my God. Whew. Whew. Yeah. Got up. It's not quite head height. But yeah, cool. You've got an extra room up here with a kind of mezzanine floor. So, get that shot from up here and get some shots of this as well. But yeah. Sometimes property photography feels extreme. It feels like a life or death situation. And that ladder was definitely, I may have to film me trying to get down. That is terrifying. Again, if it was a small, slim lady, not a problem. But when you're a 17 stone bloke, bit nerve-wracking. Whew. God. Oh my God. Oh. Survived. Yes. Please, landlords, do not leave rickety wooden ladders to get from one part of the property to the other. That is terrifying.